Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another English class. Today, we are going to talk about may and might and how to use these two modal verbs in order to talk about possibilities in the future. Okay, let's start. Actions to help the environment. In this case, the earth. Reuse materials. Plant trees. Save water. Turn off lights. Recycle. Pick up garbage. These are some actions that you can do to help the earth. Repeat after me. Reuse materials. Plant trees. Save water. Turn off lights. Recycle. Pick up garbage. Okay, this is the vocabulary that we are going to use in this lesson. So that you understand this vocabulary much better, in your book on page 204, you are going to look at these pictures, okay? The first word that we have is reuse materials. So here we have reuse materials. Plant trees. Plant trees. Save water. Save water. Turn off lights. Turn off lights. Recycle. Recycle. Pick up garbage. Pick up garbage. You can do these actions to help, okay? Okay, let's talk about how you may or might help the world with these actions. Introduction. Probability in the future. If you take a short bath, you may reduce water consumption. If you walk more, you may reduce cars pollution. If you recycle paper, you might save trees. If you use your bicycle, you might reduce air pollution. Okay, look, in this part, we are talking about probabilities in the future. Notice that we are using, in all of these ideas, may and might. In the first idea, if you take a short bath, what could be the result? You may reduce water consumption. May. In the second idea, if you walk more, what is the result? You may reduce cars pollution. May. In the next idea, if you recycle paper, what is the result? You might save trees. Might. In the next idea, if you use your bicycle, what is the result? You might reduce air pollution. Might. This is a cause. This is the result. This is a cause. This is the result. here in this idea we have the cause. Here, this is the result. Again, here we have the cause, and this is the result. Okay? All of these ideas are probabilities in the future. Okay, here we are going to respond one question that you probably have in this moment. What is the difference between may and might if these two modal verbs refer to the future? Okay, the difference here is that may is more probable. Might is less probable. May, more. Might, less. So, if we change might in this idea, no problem, it will be correct. But the only difference is that this is more probable and might is less probable. Okay? So that is the difference. More, less. Okay? The probability in the future, if you use may, is more. The probability in the future, if you use might, is less. Okay? Now, let's continue. Activity. Match the sentences on the left with the sentences on the right. These are the ideas on the left. These are the ideas on the right. You have to copy in your notebook and you are going to write the complete idea. Okay? This is your activity. When you finish this first activity, you are going to continue working in your book. Okay? In this part, in this exercise, here you have the codes. You are going to use these expressions. Okay? If we reuse materials, we may, and you are going to write a result. If we plant trees, you are going to write a result. We might, okay? You are going to use your imagination to complete these ideas, okay? Well, if you have questions or if you have problems, remember that you can rewatch this video as many times as you want, or you can send me an email with your questions and doubts, okay? Well, that's it for today, and we will see you next class. Goodbye.